frog tech tips. Probably you watch this video because your card have a 43 error when you install the drivers and card doesn't work properly. There is lots of reason card have artifacts like this one. I have the artifact, you can see that here. Yeah, and there is some lines, dots. It is not usual, but it's definitely artifact. You can see the artifact. It's really here, and definitely need some reflow this GPU. Card have a driver problem when installing, showing error 43, and the only way to fix it with proper way is reflow the chip. And how I reflow, it's just using the 300 Celsius with the heat gun, flux, a new thermal paste, putting together, test it, everything works fine. This only way I think is the proper way, because if you got a software problem, that you can check it, you can reinstall the software, and usually that doesn't help. If your card is warranted, send it back to manufacturer, he will be replaced for you. If it doesn't, nothing to lose. Car is anyway going to be in. Try this one because it's cheap, nothing to lose. Repair, save money for another car, and maybe it will be work forever. You never know. It's always 50-50 chance to fix this car. But yeah, this one has been success. I'm happy with that. And hopefully you like this video as well. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and see you on my another video.